Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a Steam user, you might have downloaded a demo that you wanted to try. Well, one of them, doesn't happen often on Steam, but one of them was actually spreading malware. And so if you went to download a Sniper Phantom's resolution from some company called Sierra 6, you might have actually installed malware on your PC. So Sierra 6 Studios. So it started after it appeared as a demo on Steam, and that a lot of users starting to complain that there was some malware on their PCs. So what it does is basically it installs itself, quickly has a second process running that kills everything possible about antivirus on your PC to make sure that it goes undetected. And so it's an info stealing malware. Now, Steam has removed the demo from the Steam website. It has also, there's also a Sierra 6 Studios website that was removed, and it is kind of not known exactly where, how, and what happened. But it is recommended that if you have downloaded this game demo, to uninstall it and then afterwards do a full system scan to remove whatever is left of infection with your favorite antivirus. So it doesn't happen often, but kind of interesting to see why did this happen. Where did it go through for that to have this happening? And shows you that, you know, even though you go through a platform, we say it sometimes from like Google Play, the Google Play Store is, you know, has regular problems with infected apps. Well, here it's Steam, and you know, they had a couple in the past also that were having in problem with malware. So you know, you just got to be careful. And make sure that, you know, now it's all gone. It's not supposed to be there, but don't search for this title because it is not a good idea. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.